In this video, we are going to take a few trades with one of my favorite strategies on 15-second close. If you find that interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want this binary option robot you see here, Pocket Option Auto Trader, you find link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. Now let's choose everything we need. Let's put it to 15 seconds. Let's see here now. There. Let's take, let's see here now. We triple confirm. Let's take $3,000 trades. Opposite direction. Let's take a target of 7,500 as a target in this video. And then it's just to start the bot and let's see how we do. So let's start there now. He's now starting to collect, as you can see here now, he's collecting all the information he needs from the chart and everything he needs from the indicator that we are using for this strategy. So we will need minimum 3 trades to get our target. So now let's see how this go this morning. I like to trade in morning. I find it quite calming, drinking my coffee. It's a very good day, a good way, not a day, but way to start the day. So let's see, he's opening now our trade. As you can see, it's a $3,000 trade. And let's see how we are starting this morning. If you start with a win, that would be amazing. And it is. So we are now $2,760 in profit. Then we just need 2 more like this and we are golden. So once again, this is a free binary option robot. When you download this from Google Play Store or install however you want to see it, you basically get 3 binary option robots in one. So Pocket Option Auto Trader is the one that is number 1 in that list. Number 2, you find one that is called Alpha One Trader. It's using another type of broker. It's a good broker also, and it's different strategies. So if you want to test that one, make sure you test that one also. The thing is that I have made a few videos there also. So that one, you need to deposit $20 to activate. That is the bot number 2. And bot number 3 is a VIP version of the one you see here. That one automatically will be available for you after you have deposited more than $200 with this one. It's more for the people that are using longer time. It's more like more like a gift for you guys with my best strategy. By the way, now we have 2 winners, so hey, you're doing good. So if we get one more now, we should be golden. So let's see. And I think we can be done already. Actually, maybe we need one more. Maybe we need 4 trades. Maybe I did calculate wrong. So let's see now. And we lost, by the way. So now it's opening our trade number 2. So now we have 6-7 win rate. That will change very fast, of course. If this is the winner now, we are, let's see, 75% win rate and $8,040 profit. So 3 wins, 1 loss. That is good in my book, and it's an amazing start of this morning. So once again, if you want this binary option robot completely for free, link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. So with that, have an amazing day.